What's your name, Jared?
Sorry.
Your name is Jared? Yes or no?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Mary.
Boo boo. Jared. How old are you? You're 1 year old? How old are you? You're 4 years old? When's your birthday?
October 7th.
October 7? I'm October 19.
Mine is October 7th. No,
Is your Lola in 3rd grade? Your Lola's a teacher? Your Lola's not a teacher? She is? What grade? She teaches grade 1?
It's a teacher?
No. She teaches grade 2? What grade? Grade 4? Okay. Say bye-bye, Jared.
Grade 0.